First off, planning is key. The location, depth, width, and slope of the ditch need to be determined. The area is then marked with stakes or spray paint to ensure accuracy during the digging process. Next, the site is prepared. Any debris, rocks, or vegetation in the area where the ditch will be dug is removed. It's crucial that the ground is stable and safe for operating heavy machinery. Before the real work begins, the excavator is thoroughly inspected. The hydraulic system, bucket, and tracks are checked to ensure they're in good working condition. The excavator is then positioned parallel to the planned ditch line. The machine must be on stable ground and the tracks aligned with the direction of the ditch. Now, it's time to start digging. The bucket is lowered into the ground at the starting point of the ditch. The first scoop of soil is then pulled towards the machine, marking the beginning of the trench. As the digging progresses, the slope of the ditch is periodically checked using a level or laser level. The angle of the bucket is adjusted as needed to maintain the desired slope, ensuring proper drainage. Every now and then, digging is paused to clear away the excavated material, also known as spoil. This keeps the spoil from falling back into the trench and ensures a clean workspace. The process continues with the excavator moving along the marked line and digging the trench to the required depth and width. Once the ditch is excavated, the bucket is used to smooth the bottom and sides of the trench. Any large rocks or debris are removed. After the initial excavation, the ditch is inspected and any necessary adjustments to the depth, width, or slope are made. If the ditch is for a pipeline or conduit, the pipe or conduit is placed in the trench and backfilled with soil. This soil is then compacted. Finally, once the ditch is completed, the area is cleaned up. Any excess spoil is removed and the site is left in a safe condition. Always remember, safety is paramount. Always follow safety protocols when operating heavy machinery, and be aware of any underground utilities or structures before digging. This ensures not just the success of the project, but the safety of everyone involved. If you found this video to be help, then please like, subscribe, and comment below. We are also happy to answer your questions. Until next time, happy digging and stay safe.